It's time for the November box review!
Yay!
So each month we come up with new ways to use essential oils to make your home toxin free, and this month we're making cozy candles.
Yay!
So let's take a look at what is in our cozy candle recipe box. As a subscriber, we'll get 3 ounces of soy wax, 6 of these adorable dried flowers. You also get 2 candle wicks.
Because you're going to make 2 candles.
Woot woot. You'll get your 6 recipe cards that come with every box.
And they're nice and pretty.
Make sure you check out the backs too, because we got extra information on there, plus our cause of the month. Because 13% of all Simply Earth profits go to organizations working to end human trafficking.
Very good cause.
And labels in a new size this month, so you just cut them off in the back. You can peel off the back like this. It's perforated.
Nice.
So easy to use labels. And 4 amazing essential oils: lime, pine scotch, our love essential oil blend, and nutmeg. These oils sound kind of funny all together, but they smell
amazing.
So good.
Yep.
You're gonna love the recipes that you get to make with these oils.
Perfect.
All right, and as a new subscriber, or if you have gotten 6 recipe boxes from us, you get
A bonus box! Woo woo! So as a new subscriber, your recipe box is going to come inside your bonus box. You're going to open this guy up. All the goodies inside. You have a solid coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, an almond oil, a beeswax. It's going to help you with those candles. 6 of the 5 milliliter bottles, which is going to help you with the master blends, and 6 of the roll-ons.
So you'll want these ingredients to use with your recipe box. They're like peanut butter and jelly.
Need them.
They work really well together to make your recipes come to life and change your home. So let's share with everyone our favorite recipes from this box.
Yeah. So my favorite one is these little bath melts. Look at this cute little bathtub. You just pop them in your bath and they're properly diluted with the essential oils, and they're amazing.
And my favorite recipe from this month's box is these wax potpourri discs, because they are so pretty. So the box gives you everything you need to make this one, but you can also add pressed flowers to it, or use a funky mold like this one to make really pretty ones.
Super fun.
Yes.
Also, as a subscriber, you do have access to our Hero course, which is super fun and super helpful.
Our Essential Oil Hero course is a way to learn how to make your own recipes that work for you and your home. So you'll learn how to use essential oils to fight toxins in your home, making your own recipes that you'll love. So make sure you subscribe to get free access to the course, plus
Everything
all
here
of this, plus we love these recipes. They smell so good and they're so fun.
And they're easy to make and use.
You'll love this box. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists, and we are some of the people behind making this box. We make sure all these recipes are safe. We make sure that you're getting the most out of your ingredients, and we're making sure to come up with new ways to make your home toxin free.
So go ahead and hit that subscribe now button.
Simplyearth.com/box.
See you later.